Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into that's all about boosting collagen production naturally. Collagen is not only essential for maintaining youthful skin but also plays a crucial role in joint support and overall well-being. In this video, we'll be exploring 3 healthy foods high in collagen and natural collagen boosters that can help your body produce more of this vital protein. So, if you're ready to enhance your collagen levels and enjoy the benefits, let's jump right in. Healthy foods high in collagen. A. Bone broth. Let's start with one of the most popular sources of collagen, bone broth. Bone broth has gained significant attention in recent years for its rich collagen content and numerous health benefits. So, what exactly is bone broth? Well, it's a savory liquid made by simmering bones, usually from animals like chicken, beef, or fish, along with various herbs and vegetables. Bone broth is a powerhouse when it comes to collagen. When the bones simmer for an extended period, collagen, along with other beneficial compounds, like amino acids and minerals, are extracted into the broth. Collagen, in particular, is a structural protein that provides support to our skin, joints, and connective tissues. But the benefits of bone broth go beyond just its collagen content. This liquid gold is packed with amino acids such as glycine, proline, and glutamine, which are essential for promoting gut health, supporting the immune system, and aiding in detoxification processes. Additionally, bone broth is a great source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which contribute to healthy bones and teeth. If you're interested in making bone broth at home, it's relatively simple. Start by acquiring high-quality bones from organic and grass-fed sources. You can use a slow cooker or a large pot and simmer the bones for several hours with water, adding in vegetables and herbs for flavor. Alternatively, if you prefer convenience, there are reputable brands available that offer pre-made bone broth options. Just make sure to look for products made from organic and ethically sourced ingredients. Remember, bone broth can be enjoyed on its own as a warm and nourishing beverage, or you can incorporate it into various recipes like soups, stews, and sauces. So, don't miss out on this collagen-rich elixir and explore the world of bone broth to support your overall health and well-being. B. Fish and seafood. Now let's dive into another group of collagen-rich foods, fish and seafood. Not only are they delicious, but they also offer a range of health benefits, including their collagen content. Incorporating collagen-rich fish and seafood into your diet can provide a significant boost to your body's collagen production. Some fantastic choices for collagen-rich fish include salmon, tuna, and sardines. These fish are known for their high collagen content, which contributes to their firm and supple texture. Additionally, shellfish like shrimp, lobster, and crab are also excellent sources of collagen. Collagen levels can vary among different types of fish and seafood. For instance, wild-caught salmon is known to contain a particularly high amount of collagen. The collagen is found in the skin, bones, and connective tissues of these marine creatures, making them ideal choices for collagen intake. One of the additional perks of including fish and seafood in your diet is the abundance of other nutrients they offer. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats provide numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, promoting heart health, and supporting brain function. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, fish and seafood are excellent sources of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They provide essential nutrients such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, iodine, and selenium, which are crucial for various bodily functions. If you have allergies or dietary restrictions, always make sure to choose fish and seafood options that are suitable for your specific needs. Also, be mindful of sustainable fishing practices and opt for responsibly sourced fish and seafood whenever possible. See berries and citrus fruits. Moving on to our next group of collagen-boosting foods, we have berries and citrus fruits. These vibrant and delicious fruits are not only packed with flavor but also provide a significant dose of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for collagen synthesis. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, along with citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are excellent choices when it comes to boosting your body's collagen production. These fruits are not only refreshing but also provide a range of health benefits. One of the key reasons berries and citrus fruits are collagen superheroes is their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen synthesis, helping to promote the production of this essential protein in our bodies. It is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect collagen from damage caused by free radicals. Incorporating berries and citrus fruits into your daily diet is both easy and enjoyable. Here are a few creative ways you can enjoy these collagen-boosting fruits. Fresh and simple. Enjoy a bowl of mixed berries as a snack or add a handful to your breakfast cereal or yogurt. Citrus-infused water. Squeeze some lemon, lime, or orange slices into a glass of water for a refreshing and collagen-boosting beverage. Smoothie power. Blend a variety of berries with some citrus fruits, a splash of coconut water, and a handful of spinach for a collagen-boosting smoothie packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Zesty salads. Add citrus segments, such as orange or grapefruit, to your salads for a burst of flavor and collagen-boosting goodness. Dessert delights. Create a delicious fruit salad by combining different berries and citrus fruits, or use them as a topping for yogurt, ice cream, or pancakes. By incorporating these collagen-boosting fruits into your meals and snacks, you not only enhance your body's collagen production but also infuse your diet with a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall health and well-being. So, let your taste buds savor the sweetness of berries and the tanginess of citrus fruits as you boost your collagen levels and enjoy the numerous health benefits they have to offer. 2. Natural collagen boosters. A. Vitamin C-rich foods. Now let's explore another group of natural collagen boosters. Foods rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, making it essential for maintaining healthy and youthful skin, as well as supporting connective tissues throughout the body. As we mentioned earlier, vitamin C is a key nutrient when it comes to collagen synthesis. It acts as a cofactor in the enzymatic reactions that convert the amino acids proline and lysine into collagen fibers. In simpler terms, vitamin C is like the fuel that powers the collagen production process in our bodies. To increase your intake of collagen-boosting vitamin C, incorporate these delicious and nutritious foods into your diet. Bell peppers. Whether you prefer red, green, or yellow, bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin C. They provide antioxidants that help protect collagen from damage caused by free radicals. Kiwi. This small but mighty fruit packs a punch of vitamin C. Kiwis are also rich in other essential nutrients like fiber and antioxidants, contributing to overall health. Broccoli. Known for its many health benefits, broccoli is not only a good source of vitamin C but also contains other essential nutrients like calcium, folate, and fiber. Citrus fruits. We mentioned them earlier, but it's worth reiterating their collagen-boosting properties. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes are all citrus fruits packed with vitamin C, providing a tangy and refreshing way to support collagen production. Strawberries. These juicy and sweet berries are not only delicious but also contain a significant amount of vitamin C. They also offer antioxidants that protect collagen from oxidative stress. To harness the collagen-boosting benefits of vitamin C, aim to include these foods in your daily meals and snacks. Enjoy a colorful salad with bell peppers and broccoli. Add slices of kiwi or citrus fruits to your water for a vitamin C-infused beverage, or simply snack on strawberries throughout the day. The key is to make these foods a regular part of your diet to support collagen synthesis and promote overall skin health. Note: while vitamin C-rich foods are beneficial, it's important to remember that excessive vitamin C intake is unlikely to further enhance collagen production. It's always best to strive for a well-rounded and balanced diet. B. Leafy green vegetables. Now let's explore another group of natural collagen boosters, leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, not only offer a wide range of health benefits but also play a significant role in collagen production. Leafy green vegetables are rich in nutrients that support collagen production. They contain a combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that help nourish and protect our skin and connective tissues. One of the key factors that make leafy greens beneficial for collagen support is their antioxidant content. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on collagen fibers. Leafy greens are particularly abundant in vitamins A and E, which are powerful antioxidants that promote skin health and protect collagen from damage. Here are some creative ways to incorporate leafy green vegetables into your meals and snacks to boost collagen production and enjoy their numerous health benefits. Green smoothies. Blend a handful of spinach or kale with fruits like bananas, berries, and a splash of coconut water for a nutrient-packed collagen-boosting smoothie. Nourishing salads. Create vibrant and nutritious salads by combining leafy greens with colorful vegetables, fruits, and a source of lean protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas. Stir-fries and sautés. Add a generous portion of spinach, kale, or Swiss chard to your stir-fries or sautéed dishes for a burst of flavor, texture, and collagen-supporting nutrients. Wraps and sandwiches. Use large leafy greens, such as lettuce or collard greens, as a substitute for bread or tortillas in wraps or sandwiches. Fill them with your favorite protein and veggies for a collagen-boosting meal. Leafy green omelets. Whip up a nutritious omelet by incorporating spinach, kale, or other leafy greens along with other vegetables and your choice of protein. By including leafy green vegetables in your meals, you're not only supporting collagen production but also nourishing your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Get creative and experiment with different recipes to discover new and delicious ways to enjoy these nutrient-packed greens. See lean protein sources. Next on our list of natural collagen boosters, we have lean protein sources. Proteins, such as chicken breast, tofu, and fish, are essential for collagen production as they provide the necessary amino acids required for building collagen fibers. Collagen is made up of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Consuming protein-rich foods ensures an adequate supply of essential amino acids needed for collagen synthesis. These amino acids, such as proline, glycine, and lysine, are crucial for maintaining collagen levels and supporting the health of our skin, joints, and connective tissues. Adequate protein intake is essential for maintaining collagen levels and promoting collagen synthesis. Collagen turnover in our bodies is a continuous process, and consuming enough protein ensures a constant supply of amino acids to support collagen production. Without sufficient protein, our bodies may struggle to produce and maintain optimal collagen levels. Here are some ideas for incorporating lean protein sources into your daily meals to support collagen production and overall health. Grilled chicken breast. Opt for skinless chicken breast, which is a lean protein source rich in amino acids necessary for collagen synthesis. Season it with herbs and spices, and grill it to perfection for a collagen-boosting meal. Tofu and tempeh. These plant-based protein options are not only rich in amino acids but also offer additional health benefits. Add them to stir-fries, salads, or stir them into a flavorful curry for a collagen-supporting vegetarian or vegan meal. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are not only excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids but also provide high-quality protein. Include them in your weekly meal plan for their collagen-boosting benefits. Legumes. Incorporate legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans into your meals. They are not only a good source of plant-based protein but also offer a variety of other nutrients, including amino acids necessary for collagen synthesis. Greek yogurt. Enjoy a serving of Greek yogurt, which is rich in protein and provides essential amino acids. Add some berries and nuts for an extra collagen-supporting boost. By incorporating lean protein sources into your meals, you're not only supporting collagen production but also supplying your body with essential nutrients for overall health and well-being. Mix and match these protein sources with a variety of vegetables, grains, and healthy fats to create well-rounded and collagen-boosting meals. Note: if you have any specific dietary needs or concerns, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance.